Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in again. I've got a quick little video for you tonight about Sharpies and Gundam eyes. I've been doing this for probably like 18 or 20 kits now so far. I mostly deal with Gundams, but I do this for all their eyes, hand quote gestures. And I've made a Char's Grays. So, of course, this thing is a mono eye, just like Char likes. So we got to give this thing a mono eye that's going to pop. So for that, we're going to use a metallic Sharpie. I've done this with, like I said, almost every Gundam I've painted so far. It holds up really well. I've heard people say that Sharpie doesn't hold up too good on Gunpla, and it might not, but in my experience doing it this way, it seems to hold up. And it's a fairly inexpensive substitute to, some expensive paints that you can get out there. It's going to get on your hands though, disassembling that Sharpie to do this, so be careful. But after you get it disassembled and you pour a little bit of it out of that felt core or whatever's inside of a Sharpie there onto your palette, grab your part that is primed. In this case, that is a Vallejo black airbrush prime. Grab some sort of fine tip brush that you're comfortable with this. Make sure you keep it in frame so everybody can see what you're working on. It gets better, I promise. There we go. And as delicately as you can, come in here and start painting. I may go through and do like all the little crevices on this, but I kind of just want to make it a mono eye. This is going to be nestled in that headpiece anyways, so you may not even see this, but I just wanted to throw that little detail in there. It pops way better on the Gundams where the eyes are always exposed or the head cameras are always exposed. It picks up the light really well, and maybe in the long run this doesn't work out. I've heard people say that Sharpies fade or whatever on Gunpla. I haven't had that experience, but this is how I do it, and you may find this helpful. So that's why I'm filming it, just in case anybody needs some ideas out there. So I hope this helped. I hope this, if it didn't help, gave you some ideas that would maybe. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.